Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this used BMW 4 Series M Sport Pro Edition finished in a sleek grey paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a 2-litre diesel engine with 187 horsepower and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 19-inch jet black alloy wheels with M Sport badging on the alloys, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek M Sport badging at the sides to give that dramatic look, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors, paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 440-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and a rear climate control. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console and front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also access driving experience control, which offers a range of driver modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features 2 hidden cup holders, a phone box, a gear shifter, a iDrive controller, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment with an additional USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.